In the front panel of the analyzer, we see a number of keys and the joystick. The joystick has 5 positions: up, down, left, right, and pressed, used to validate, kind of an enter button in a keyboard. The joystick is used to move around in the spectrum analyzer mode and through all the different menus that we will be showing. The rest of the keys are the mode keys. These let you access to the spectrum analyzer mode, the measurements mode, and the TV mode. The 4 soft keys below the screen, which allow you to access to the different menus in each one of the previous modes: spectrum, measurements, and TV. The camera button. A short press will save the current trace in the spectrum analyzer mode as a reference, while a long press will take a screenshot. Finally, the 2 buttons under the joystick. The folder button. A short press gets you access to the list of available installations, while a long press gets you access to the analyzer's preferences. And the wheel button. A short press gets you access to the terrestrial or satellite preferences menus, while a long press gets you access to the video and audio settings. We will get to this settings menu in order to activate the HDMI output and capture with a PC the video content we see on the screen.